Hello. Hello. Welcome to the Blue, White, and Doyle Center in the shed where we dick around. And today we dicking around with the center console for the last 5 episodes. Y'all getting bored with it? This is the last one other than wiring it up, and we'll do that later. I mean, wiring my air gauges up. So run that intro. Welcome dicking around in the shed. Well, on last episode you see me do this, but where you at? There's 2, and I'm out of glue. There's 2, I'm out of glue. Well, like I said, it'll work or it won't, and it looks like it is. I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with it. We'll slap the vinyl on it tomorrow. Yep. Cardboard. So, let's see if we can't get some white vinyl on it. As you can see, I got the foam, and I already got the center, this part done. You got my gauges in it, so it's all ready to hook up, and still gotta do some work on this part, but we'll do that later. So don't be scared of vinyl or leather or pro leather or whatever. I got this stuff off eBay. So yeah. And let's see what we want to cut off. Find it.
Yes. White pro leather. Fo. B5 from. I smell the blood of an Englishman. Don't you leave enough pull around? So, just like this. So, now we need I would pull the shears. Get me the shears. Scissors! Try not to cover up too much cutting with. Yep. So, let's cut this out. Pretty much. Lay it out. Find it. Take about 2 inches or more around the edges.
It's out of the way. So now let's glue. We got some
More glue. 3M Super 77. I should be wearing gloves, but well, you don't get this stuff all over your hands. But, oh well, it'll wash off eventually. So let's coat this stuff real good.
that don't look too bad. I'll get back with you. Let me do the other side and we'll hopefully bolt it all together and see what it looks like whole. Yep. I am the greatest upholstery center console maker ever. No, I'm not. But I'll show you what I got. It's half good. Good enough for me. It's good enough for the girls I date. Looks real good now. Who am I kidding? Hey, it's done for now. Will I redo it? Maybe. I need to, or I bent that down here. I should have carried more over to hide some of it. I know that now. I'll do better next time. And it kind of needs to be close. I don't know how I did it, but anyway, here's a tip. Wear gloves and you don't get the glue all over your hands. I just got started and forgot to put my gloves on. I got neoprene gloves. Yeah, I just didn't. Now I can't touch nothing. Anyway, check out that video there and that one. Come over here, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see what kind of mess we get into next time. We got to wire it up. Yep. Oh boy, later.